Alright people, so here we are. 11:30 p.m. We got E-word Oreo sleeping. Yeah. What's up, E-word? How do you do? Huh? Did I wake you up? Alright, so we got ourselves another heart here that we're gonna unbox tonight, okay? And so this right here, there's a story behind it. Felice, you wanna?
Yeah, so this was my buddy Paul Wildcell's motor. He ended up passing away with leukemia.
Man, shout
Rest
out.
in peace to Paul.
Rest in peace to Paul, bro.
And one of his good buddies decided to sell all his stuff, and actually so people can use them, you know.
Mm-hmm.
And I caught wind of it, and I told him I wanted this 85.
Wow. So what we got here is an ALX 85 that we're about to unbox. And this was from Paul.
Yeah, it's got
Unreal. How old was Paul?
Paul was about 40.
What a shame.
40,
Oh, man. That's younger than me, dude. See, people don't understand. Yo, there's so many scumbags in the world, bro. Why are they scumbags? For what? You don't know how long you're going to be here. Yeah.
Something could happen.
Fucking unbelievable, man. Rest in peace, Paul, man. What a shame. What a shame.
I don't even think he got to use this.
Oh, man. What a shame. So, wow, look at this beauty, kid. ALX 85, kid. Serious Malossi head. Serious.
Six.
What the?
6 port.
Look at this. Holy shit.
The only thing I'm not crazy about is how this.
All their exhausts are like
how
that.
this goes like this.
But they work.
The face is down.
Yeah.
Maybe I'll get it welded up so the face is up.
Yeah, I can do that for you. If you want.
So that's that, and then I got a couple plates, a tranny plate, etc. It's a brand new ALX tranny plate.
Look at this.
Rear plate.
All right. So, so this is for the Baja setup. Let me tell you something. This
I'm not
is
gonna use.
too much engine for any fucking Baja, dude. You can't put this in a goddamn Baja, dude. It's gonna be like,
Yep.
yeah, you gotta do something serious, but like first, something serious like this.
It's a little stuck on there.
Yeah, you may have to go over that and see what's up. Maybe a couple adjustments.
It's an 80 millimeter. I think that's the 2-spring clutch. He makes a 3-spring now, but this one doesn't have it. Yeah. See, it's only a 2-spring.
Hopefully, check everything, see what it's touching before you run it.
Yeah. I think it's hitting right there. Something with the clutch.
Make sure both bearings are good.
This is actually
Let's
number
go over
1.
it. Oh, no shit.
There was a prototype before this. The guy who makes beep out wheelie bars, he got it. This was the first.
Oh, Bebop, yeah. I talked to him, sure. I talked to him on Instagram. Shout out to Bebop.
Beep out wheelie bars. Shout out to my friends in Australia, Peter Aruga.
Australia.
Josh McDonald.
Shout out to Australia, kid.
Shout out to my father-in-law in PA for all the help.
Yeah.
For making us addicted.
Yo, your father-in-law is a Brapp brother, man. All them videos, pictures you send me, dude, of his garage, man, dude. If my wife ever kicks me out, can I move in there?
Yeah, 100%. You can live upstairs with Darcy's downstairs.
Yeah. Shout out to your, yeah, man. He's awesome, dude.
You want to leave it a look in there, maybe? This I was told had a.
Yo, you know you guys aren't that far from me in Pennsylvania, right? You're in Milford, right?
You're on 739. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm,
Yeah,
they're on
we're like-
Gold Key Lake. I don't know if you know where that is.
We're probably like 20 minutes away, or 15 minutes.
Yeah, this is serious.
Yeah, compression relief valve in here.
I was told it had a super crazy port job.
Let's see it.
This one's probably got like 28, almost 30 horsepower on this one.
Damn.
I'm scared to run it.
Yeah, this is going to be a scary one.
This is a 28 millimeter. Same one I got in my 78. 28 millimeter.
What red is this?
Paul's friend Peter actually wired this up for me. I'm not too good with the kill switches.
Uh-huh.
So before he gave it to me, I asked him to do it for me.
All right. Who, Peter, you say?
Yeah, Peter Leon.
Shout out to
Big
Pete.
RC Max head.
Yo, RC Max, kid.
Yeah. Shout out to Peter.
The Brapp brothers. All Brapp brothers help each other out.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? This is...
That's why those Australians are my friends, bro.
Damn.
Any questions about the ALX, they help me out.
Look how fucking big it is. Can we just...
Yeah, take it off.
Holy... What the... Damn. God, whoop, whoop. Jeez.
He used to make a slider. ALX used to make a slider. So it would be like a... You know, sometimes you put your hand up right over the carb to start it up.
I've replaced these on friends.
Yeah,
sometimes these go bad, and then you won't be able to start. You have issues starting them.
Yeah.
These hoses. If I was you, I would like grab another 2 or 3 just to have.
Yeah, just keep them on the shelf. I
You
gotta
know?
go over all the screws. I want to change these screws out. Oh, actually, they have 12.9 already. The grade. Somebody changed them out already.
If I was you, torque them.
Yeah.
Who knows? But most of these guys just do hand tight shit. Torque them down. You could do
Definitely
80 to
spark plug
85.
them, change.
80 to 85 inch pounds.
Yeah. Because a
Very
12.9
nice.
will never strip.
Look at this
Put 'em
head
on my
gasket.
list,
It's
85.
ridiculous. So, looks like brass, not copper. Huh? It's got to be copper. But yeah, sweet, man. Dude, congratulations. At least it's going to the right home.
Yes.
You know what I'm saying? So,
Nothing like an old black 85.
and my man right here's shouting out Paul. Paul will live on with this heart. You know what I'm saying? So
This will never go anywhere.
it couldn't have gone to the better person. Yeah, man. Good shit.
He was a seriously good guy, man. Same thing. I asked him any questions.
Yeah.
He would answer all my questions. Good
Wow.
dude. I actually met him at Floyd Bennett Fields. The last Primo race, he was there.
No kidding.
Yeah, he was actually racing down the track. Good dude, real good dude.
Oh.
So,
All right, brother, man. Congrats. Good luck with everything, man. I'm looking forward to see what you're going to do.
Made in Italy.
Yeah, look at that.
Shout out ALX.
Shout out to ALX, made in Italy, and Felice is Italian.
Made in Italy.
Good shit. We should have had the pizza right now
Yeah,
instead
I
of.
know.
But actually, Bartolone's Italian, so you know.
I wonder what he says about these motors.
Well, Bartolone's in his own world, bro. You know this. You heard him speak a little while ago. He's got his own stuff going on, man, and he's way too busy.
Yeah, there's something funky there.
Yeah, you're gonna have to go over that for sure.
It's definitely hitting something.
Yeah. You know,
It might. I mean, when you tighten the pinion, it might push it out a little bit more. That's what it is.
We'll see.
But you can see right here was being hit too.
Yeah.
From right there. I might need to shim that down a little bit.
Yeah, definitely you have to go over that.
Other than that,
Unreal. All right, man. Damn.
let's pack this puppy back up.
That head is sweet, bro. You know, it's
Oh, almost forgot. Let me make sure we got the air filter on. Now it's proper. Might have to change this one up too, but I'll just use it for now. Oil it up the right way.
happy to see you. Look at that, baby, huh? Look at that. Well, looks better without the exhaust, but
I'm gonna scratch your table.
what a sweet, man. Unreal. Good shit. Good stuff, man. Look at that, baby. Look at that. All right, brother.
Let's get it back.
Now you got me fucking pumped up. Now, I really have to get some rest, but I may have to go get wrenching now. I see you motivated me, bro. You motivated me. Okay, so late night.
Got 1, 2 boxes.
Two
Ready
hearts.
to go.
All right, so
Finally got the bottle on back.
too bad it's not daytime. A nicer video for you guys, but this is hey, it is what it is, man. It's almost midnight. We were here just talking, so stay tuned. We got more stuff coming. I should have known better. Look at this. Not only Felice is a Brapp, brother. It's a freaking Chevy, brother, kid. Bow tie. Bow tie, kid. Bow tie. My man's got a Chevy Tahoe, kid.
71,000 miles.
71,000, kid. Running strong, kid. Good shit, man. Fucking A.
Be good.
All right, brother. Till next time, kid. Till next time. Get home safe. Thank you again, man. The best pizza I ever had so far.
See you later.
Take care.